Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in FACEIT account. To do that, first thing is open a Google browser and click open new tab. You can use any browser for this process. I am using a Google Chrome for this one. So once you open a search bar, you need to type in faceit.com and press enter. This will open the official web page on your screen. Once you're at the official web page, you need to go and click on login on the top right corner. This will redirect you to the page where you can easily log in. For logging in, you need to provide the email address and password. Type in the email address, type in the password. You can also log in with the Facebook as well. That is only possible if you have linked your Facebook account with the FACEIT account of yours. If not, you will need to first connect. Once both the detail has been done, you need to click on login. You make sure that you type in the correct account credential. Only then you will be able to log in into the account of yours. And there you can see you have been easily logged in. That's your profile info over here on the top right. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.